Why does your DoorDash arrival time keep changing? Several dynamic factors are at play. Real-time traffic congestion, restaurant preparation delays, and dasher availability all contribute. DoorDash's system uses a combination of static factors like distance and average speed, along with live data from GPS, weather APIs, and historical patterns to calculate estimated arrival times. These ETAs update frequently, but sudden changes can occur due to unexpected events like accidents, understaffed kitchens during busy periods, or dashers needing to reroute. While DoorDash employs machine learning to predict and account for these anomalies, inaccuracies persist, especially during peak hours and in areas with less data coverage. DoorDash is actively working on improvements to ETA accuracy. Recent updates include AI-driven algorithms like dynamic ETA, which use machine learning to adjust estimates based on real-time data. Partnerships with Google Maps and Waze provide hyperlocal traffic predictions, reducing ETA variance by up to 15% in urban areas. Looking ahead, trends are shifting toward more transparent and accurate systems. Surge pricing offers guaranteed time windows for premium features. By 2026, integration of autonomous vehicle data could significantly reduce ETA fluctuations. DoorDash is piloting programs that factor in historical store preparation times to improve accuracy. Despite challenges like data privacy concerns and economic pressures, advancements in AI and data integration are expected to drive more reliable delivery time predictions in the coming years.